To find your Revolut transaction history, open the Revolut app on your iOS or Android device or log in via the web dashboard. Navigate to the Transactions tab to view a chronological feed of all your transactions. This feed provides essential details for each transaction, including the date, amount, merchant, category like groceries or travel, and status completed or pending. Use the search function to quickly locate specific transactions. For a more detailed overview, generate statements for custom periods daily, weekly, or monthly in the Statements section. These PDF statements summarize your transactions and balances for the selected time frame, crucial for tracking spending and managing your finances effectively. Revolut offers powerful filtering options to help you organize your transaction data. Use advanced filters to sort by date range, transaction type like card payments or transfers, currency, or amount. The Smart Filters feature even allows voice-activated search for quick access. For data analysis, export your transaction history in various formats, including PDF, CSV, and XLSX. CSV exports are particularly useful for importing data into spreadsheet software like Excel or accounting tools. Additionally, set up automated recurring exports, such as weekly CSV emails, to streamline your financial management. Remember to enable biometric verification for full access to your historical data, especially in regions like the EU. Finally, keep in mind that unencrypted exports could pose data security risks, so consider using in-app sharing features where possible.